Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to track your Amazon packages. So to do this, we want to head on over to Amazon.com. I'll link their webpage right at the top of the video description. Once you're logged in to your Amazon account, what you want to do is go to where it says Account and Lists, hover over that, and you can click where it says Your Orders right here. Or the other option is just to simply click where it says Returns and Orders. Either one is going to take you over to your Orders page. And then once you're in your orders page, you should be able to find the different items that you have placed orders for in Amazon, and the track package option should be over here on the side. So next we're going to click on where it says track package, and then on the tracking page it should give us an estimated date of arrival, whether the item has officially shipped or not, whether it's out for delivery, and that arrival estimation window. And then it will also give you the address that it's going to be shipping this package to and other order info, such as if you want, you can view or change this order or try to cancel the order if that's what you're looking to do. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about tracking your Amazon orders. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.